all. The application that we have built for this hackathon is called Cognitive Tutor. So this application is built based on a tool called Pega, which is primarily built on Java technology. So our application has got two roles. It's basically an educational institution kind of application where there are two roles. One is called teacher login and the other one is called the student login. So to start with, I'll show the teacher login. Every operator will have an unique login credentials for them, and so they can log in with their credentials. So this is the dashboard that we have built for a teacher, and let me show the classrooms that we have built. So classroom is an option in which the teacher can work. So as a teacher, the teacher can create a classroom. A student cannot create a classroom. So this is a functionality that we have built. Yeah, so on click of create classroom, the teacher can enter descriptions and names for that classroom. The classroom can be of three types. Public in the sense any student in the school or organization can join that classroom. Private is meant for specific classes like class 6th, class 7th kind of thing, where a student can join by requesting an access. Unlisted is a type of classroom for which the students cannot join by themselves. The teacher has to invite them as a member. Only then the student can join that class. So these are the types of classroom. So I'll show the classrooms that we have built already for the teacher as a teacher. So these are the three classes that we have built. It shows the created by operator, which is cognitive teacher. The teacher has built these classes, and there are three classes: 6th, 7th, and 8th. Class 6th has got 3 members, class 7th has got 3 members, and class 8th has got 2 members. So I'll show the class 6th first, and we have also built a search here which will search for the classes. Yeah, so it filters the class 8th, and there is a refresh and a filter here as well. Yeah, so we'll show the class 6th standard now. Yeah, so we have built an active communicative platform where students can start a conversation here, and they can speak, because in the situation where all the students are working from home, they can have a chat or discussion over here as well, which can be visible for the entire class. Any important announcements to be given by the teacher to the students can also be put here. So we'll show. This is a post that a teacher is making in the class, and the post has come here. The students can either like and comment on this chat. So that is one functionality. And then we have a board where a teacher can upload documents and study materials for the students. So this is a study material that is uploaded by cognitive teacher. A student cannot upload a study material. The teacher can also add students to this classroom. So we'll show that functionality. So these are the two members of this class. The teacher can also add additional members. Let's say I'm adding a user called cognitive learner. Yeah. So the teacher can add or remove students to a classroom. That's about the classroom functionality that we have built. The operator is added here. The teacher can also directly add documents using this document functionality. The teacher can add documents here and then add it to a class from here. So that is one way of adding a document. Rather, the idea behind this is a common circular for the entire school can be uploaded here and shared across the school. So that's that's an idea. So the classroom landing page also has all classrooms tab. So my classroom will have the list of classrooms that this teacher currently works for, and all classrooms has the rooms for the entire organization. And so there are two other organizations. One is for the sports team, and the other one is for common room, where all students and teachers can be there. So this is a type of a public classroom. So the teacher has to ask for an access, like the teacher can join the space directly. And this is a private classroom. It's only meant for sports team. So a request has to be raised to join this room. the administrator for this, the owner for this room will have to accept the invitation, will have to accept the request. Only then the student or the teacher can join this team. So that's about the teacher portal. I'll show the student portal now. The student also has to use their credentials to log into the application. So I'm logging in as a 6th standard student. Once the student logins, the student will be seeing the dashboard. We have also got a notification functionality here. Since the teacher added a new student to this student's classroom, this student will have a notification that cognitive teacher commented in this and also added students. So we have built a notification function here, and then we also have classrooms here. The student can see only the classrooms in which to which they are invited. Since this is a 6th standard student operator, and the student can see only class 6, and we'll see what is inside. The student sees the comment that was entered by the cognitive teacher and also sees the members who are part of this classroom, but the student cannot add any new member, only the teacher can add. Also the student can go and see the content that is uploaded by the teacher. The student can open this to view the document. This is a sample document that is uploaded in the name of science. The student can go ahead and read the entire document and also start posting comments which are specific to this document, which is similar to the one that we saw in the initial screen. So this is about the application. So we are also thinking about adding knowledge check sections to the class, like the student can go and attend knowledge check examinations based on this content that they have learned. Yeah, thank you so much.